Hey guys, Marshall Tucker here, LA Choppers, bringing you the best in American-made handlebars and motorcycle accessories. Now, you may have caught a few of the videos that we've done previously in regards to our Kage Fighter T-bar setups, and you know that you can purchase it in a one-part number stop with everything you see here. So say that you want a 12-inch overall height, gloss black setup, we have one part number for that. But did you know that you could actually put your own Kage Fighter T-bar setup together? Stay tuned, we'll tell you all about it. LA Choppers has made it rather convenient with a one-part number stop for you, but we know that our customers like to get creative with their builds. That's why this year we have decided to break down each individual part from the Kage Fighter T-line. This opportunity now allows you to be very creative with your build and mix and match any finishes that are offered in the Kage Fighter line. Maybe you just want to change the overall height, or maybe add some pullback to your handlebars. Finishes are offered in chrome, gloss black, matte black, and new for 2020, the stainless steel top bar. Whether it's absolute style or total comfort that you're looking for, our American-made Kage Fighter T-bars are the bars for you.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.